Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another special unboxing for you. So I went ahead and placed my first ever order on Beautylish.com. I've seen them all over the place, especially on Twitter, and I just wanted to place my order and see what came about. So let's go ahead and take a look now. Ooh, fancy. I love it. So opening the box, in true Jeffree Star fashion, we do have custom tissue paper, and this does say Beautylish presents Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and of course we have images of all of Jeffree's tattoos here on the tissue paper. I really don't want to break the seal. Oh, can I slide it out, I wonder? Just dump the contents of the box into my lap. Here on the bottom of the box, we have some black tissue paper, my receipt that says how can we help, their phone number, cool deal, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if I can just slowly and gently slide this off. There we go. Ooh. We have again the black tissue paper covering, and it looks like I picked up not one, but two Jeffree Star mirrors. Yay! That's the first one. It is sealed with this gorgeous orange little sticker right there. It's so foily and shiny. Again, I really don't want to break these seals when I get these products. Peel back the sticker and open her up. And there she is, number one. Orange chrome and Jeffree Star mirror. Incredibly pretty and just gives me such fall vibes that I absolutely had to pick it up. And a mirror in my hand. Who's the fairest in the land? Me. The second mirror, let's go ahead and take a look at her now. I was not able to save the pink sticker, and this box is just kind of being a little bit more of a pain than the other. And bam, here it is, a baby pink moment. Now this mirror has been out for a little while now, but I just needed to get my hands on it because I needed a pink moment. I have my green, I have a non-Jeffree Star black handheld mirror, I've got my orange, and now I've got my Mean Girl Wednesday pink. Get in, loser, we're going shopping. Can't sit with us. So those are my two Beautylish orders. However, Beautylish is very, very kind, and they actually sent me a few little extras. Don't know if this is standard, like if it's something that they do with every order, or if it's just the time that I had ordered it. They included these, but it is a Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. Melt away the day. This cleansing balm dissolves makeup and impurities on contact and rinses without residue, leaving skin comfortably clean. But I do like that it's actually in a jar rather than a lot of times, if you guys have ever gotten samples maybe from like Sephora, they come in like this little plastic like circular, and then you gotta like pop it out and use that. No, I like things that come in their own containers. Very cool. Thank you again, Beautylish, and thank you. And now I get to look at myself from all angles. Woo! I am a very happy camper. I mean, seriously, just look how cute these mirrors are. How can you ever go wrong? It's just a cute little bubblegum pink moment, and then this super shiny when I just want to be extra for the fall chrome moment. Yes! Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I feel like I can make these earrings just love, 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 love. Hang them above my bed. If you like this quick little unboxing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.